Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to scale your Shopify business step by step so you can increase revenue, expand your reach, and grow efficiently in 2026. Scaling a Shopify store requires more than just adding products. It's about optimizing operations, marketing, and customer experience simultaneously. So yeah, approaching it strategically makes a huge difference. Start by analyzing your current store performance. Look at sales trends, top performing products, and customer behavior using Shopify Analytics. This helps you understand what's working and where you should invest more resources. Next, optimize your marketing strategy. Invest in paid ads on platforms like Facebook, Google, and Instagram, while also leveraging organic channels such as email marketing and social media content. Targeted campaigns help attract new customers while retaining existing ones. Automate repetitive tasks to save time. Use Shopify apps for inventory management, order fulfillment, email sequences, and customer support. Automation ensures you can handle higher order volumes without compromising quality. Expand your product line strategically. Add complementary products or bundles based on customer demand and trends. This increases average order value and encourages repeat purchases. Focus on customer retention. Offer loyalty programs, personalized recommendations, and excellent support to build a loyal customer base. Happy customers often become brand advocates, helping to grow your store organically. Optimize your website for conversions. Improve loading speed, simplify checkout, and enhance mobile experience. A seamless shopping experience boosts sales and reduces cart abandonment. Finally, monitor, test, and iterate continuously. Analyze campaign performance, experiment with new strategies, and adapt to market changes. Scaling is an ongoing process, and consistent optimization drives long-term growth. If this guide helped you, like the video, subscribe for more Shopify tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.